Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we're gonna go over the newest mobility scooter from Pride Mobility. It's called the GoGo Super Portable. Now this is one of the few fold flat scooters on the market today. And Pride just came out with this a couple months ago. Now a couple things I like about it is it weighs just 41 pounds. It is approved for airline travel. It can support 300 pounds of weight, has a 10-mile battery range. And for being a folding mobility scooter, it has a lot of power, surprisingly. The top speed is around 4.5 to 5 miles per hour, and it really accelerates really nice. It even works well on hills compared to a lot of folding mobility scooters. I've gotten the whole scooter out. I don't have to attach a seat. A lot of these fold flat scooters, you do have to attach the seat onto this. This one, the seat's already attached and there's no need to take it off. So when you fold it and unfold it, it's all already on the scooter. So I'm gonna just go over how to unfold it, show you how easy it is, and then we'll take it for a spin. So the very first thing you do when you're unfolding it is you want to release this yellow lever, which has these teeth on the tiller, and that will allow you to tilt the tiller upward and then just clamp it back into place. Now the tiller is also telescoping, so I can use this lever to increase the height of the tiller. So I'm going to bring it all the way up because I'm a pretty tall rider. And then the next step is we want to make sure that the battery is turned on, and it is. I have turned it on, so you can turn it off and turn it on right here. And then this yellow lever here on the back is how you would pull the seat up. So I'm just gonna pull the lever up like that. And then you'll see there's two little hooks here that will hook to these bars. And you heard that click, and now it's locked into place. So now we've unfolded the scooter. So you can see how easy it is. Now on the tires on the scooter, you've got 7-inch front tires, 8-inch rear tires. They are flat free, so you don't have to worry about flats. There's a little bit of a storage area under here, and it comes with a storage bag. You can see it's a pretty decent size. I actually have a lot of things in here right now. And when you first get the storage bag, you'll have to attach it. So it comes with this little attachment, this black piece right here. So you have to put this on first, and then you use Velcro to go through each of these little holes and around the tiller. Now some of the controls on this we'll go over. It does come with a set of keys, so I'll turn this on. You're gonna see it cycle through, and now you can see it's fully charged. On the screen you might see it kind of jumping around, but that's because of the camera setting, but it does not jump around and look like that. So you have a speed control. It's actually just one switch. A lot of these mobility scooters, it's going to be a dial, but that's your rabbit speed, that's your tortoise speed. You've got a horn, you have a headlight. I like the lighting package a lot, and we will make a video riding this at nighttime too. So I've got it turned on, and you can see the lights here. I think it looks really sleek, and it actually produces a lot of light. And then you have lights on the back. So you've got some tail lights here. It also comes standard with a USB charging port. You can charge your mobile device on this. And then right here, you'll see there's two little circular rubber stoppers, and you can remove these and purchase rear view mirrors to add to this. You can purchase a cell phone holder, and the throttle on this is an ambidextrous throttle. So I can accelerate forward, or I can go backwards with just one hand, and I can do it on the left side. So if you didn't have use of one of your hands, you could still use this. You can also get armrests on this. They do not come standard, but you can add them on if you prefer that. The only thing that I don't like about the armrest is you have to remove them in order to fold the scooter. So I don't like that. But if you prefer armrests, or that's something that is necessary for you, you can definitely add them on. Now I'll go through the process of folding this. You'll see again how easy it is. So I'm just going to fold down the seat by pressing this yellow lever to release it. And now we folded that flat. And then use this other lever to fold the tiller flat. And now I can pick it up from the front and I can actually set it up like this. So it sets up. This is great for storage. You know, putting this in the closet, or if you wanted to put it behind your couch. Really nice fold flat scooter. And I'll show you another thing. So when you're done riding and you bring it back to your vehicle, this is one of the benefits of this scooter. So I can bring the scooter to the back of the vehicle, and this is really what it's designed for. And it works better if you have like an SUV or like a hatchback. So I can set the wheels on the back of the vehicle right here. I would recommend getting some kind of towel or a blanket so you don't scratch up your car. But by doing this, you're distributing the weight. So you've got weight on the back of the vehicle, and then you can lift it up and just push it right in. So by doing that, you're reducing the weight slightly, probably to around 30 or 35 pounds, but really you can see it's pretty light. Like I could do this myself because it's only 41 pounds. Now let me go ahead and unfold this again. And I wanted to show you the battery pack. So because it's airline approved, you can see how easy it is to fold. To remove this, all you have to do is release this yellow lever. So Pride makes it really easy. Everything is yellow on the scooter that you would need to fold it or to remove the battery. Here's a freewheel lever. So it stands out, make it really simple. So once I've released this clip, you can pull the battery right out. And I would turn the battery off. Now, because it's airline approved, the airline's gonna make you take the battery off, bring it on as a carry-on, and then you just fold the scooter and give it to the airline. So pretty simple. You also can charge the battery directly on the battery pack itself, or you can charge it on the tiller. And I'll show you that real quick. This is a really unique feature.
Another thing I'd like to mention is we have a catalog that we can send to you for free. It's of our top sellers. You can call us, provide your information to any agent that answers the phone. We'll get that entered into our system, and it takes about 10 days to get to you once we receive that. Or if you prefer to just fill it out online, just click on free catalog. It's at the top of our website. Fill out your information and we'll send it to you within 10 days. So back to the video.
So the charger is actually a magnet. So a lot of times with these chargers, on mobility scooters, you have to line up the prongs. But with this, it's just a magnet. So all you have to do is get it close to it and just let go. And now it's pretty secure. It's a pretty strong magnet, so it's not gonna come off unless you bump it. So you can charge it this way. And when it's fully charged, the battery will turn green. So that's one way you can do it. So let me lock this back into place and turn the battery on. The other way, you can charge it directly on the tiller. And it's kind of hard to see, but it actually lights up when you have a connection. So this is very new. You're gonna probably see more charging ports like this on a lot of mobility scooters, I would say, moving forward. A lot of people have problems with lining up the holes correctly, and you just gotta make sure when you find the correct positioning, you can just then plug it in. You don't have to worry about it with this. Just get it close to the port, and then it just connects. So it doesn't matter which angle you are, it's gonna connect. So one thing I like to point out when I'm on these scooters, just to give kind of like a reference, I'm 6'4", so I'm a pretty tall rider. And on this scooter, you can see how I fit this. Now, this is not super comfortable for me, but there's enough structural support, and these scooters are made for you to put your feet out front like this. So I can do that if I need to. But I am a bit tall for this. So I would say if you're about 6'1", 6'2", or shorter, you'll be fine on this. I feel like I'm a little tall, but I could make this work. And the convenience of the scooter, the way it folds, folding flat, it's just something that I would be willing to deal with that. But that's me personally, and maybe you don't want a scooter like that. So figured I would point that out. So one other thing I wanted to mention, is the seat cushion. So you can easily remove this cushion and clean it. This is detached by Velcro on the seat back and the seat cushion. And this helps with making it soft too. So you can see there's little springs here, and that helps with making the seat super soft. And that was just a really great design. Another reason we love working with Pride. They're always up in the ante and constantly improving their products.
Hey guys, we're giving away a free mobility scooter on March 15th. We're doing this monthly, and all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and also comment on one of our videos. And once you do those two things, you'll be eligible for the next giveaway, which is March 15th.
Now, let's take it for a spin. I actually have it, it's going pretty slow because I have it on the tortoise, but I'm gonna switch it to the hare so we can get to that top speed. Now, the Pride Mobility brand is arguably the best brand in the mobility industry, and I would say in the entire world, definitely in the US. Their warranty is excellent. So you've got a 3-year warranty on the frame, and you have a 2-year warranty on the electronic components and the motor. And one of the things that sets Pride apart is they have a 1-year labor contract that's included with the purchase. So if something goes wrong with the scooter in the first year, they're gonna try to troubleshoot that over the phone with you, but if they can't fix it, they'll send a technician to your home to diagnose and resolve that issue. And that's one of the things that sets Pride apart. Now, the GoGo Super Portable is one of the lighter folding mobility scooters in the market. And again, one of the few fold flat scooters. Now, there's a couple others on the market, and one of the problems with those is you have to remove the seat. Not that that's a problem, but it is for some people. So the competitor to this would be Golden Technologies scooter. It's called the Buzz Around Carry-On. They're both excellent scooters. They're both excellent companies. They both have a 1-year labor contract that's included with their labor. So very similar, but one of the main differences of this one is the weight is kept down and you don't have to remove the seat. Whereas the Buzz Around Carry-On, you do have to remove the seat. Now, when it's completely folded flat and you remove this front basket or front bag, it's about 12 inches in height. So this scooter was actually designed for travel on cruise ships or people that want to go on vacation. So once you remove that black bag, you fold it down, you can easily fit that under a cruise ship bed, or you can just fit it under a regular bed. So it's easy to store. And when I showed you earlier how you can stand it up, it makes it easier to store, upright as well. Now, I want to take this route specifically because there is a little construction here. Normally I would just go down this path, but going through this construction, you actually wind in and out around this building. It's normally like pretty smooth trail along that. So I specifically wanted to take this to show you how it handles turns, and there is like a handicapped ramp here. Excuse the loud noises. One of the great things about Pride is their support is phenomenal. When you have an issue, their tech support is really good. We talk to their tech support often. They'll work with the end user. So when you get this, if you have any issues, they're gonna get on the phone with you and try to troubleshoot them. A lot of the issues you run into, you can troubleshoot them over the phone. Can't go down the stairs there, so let me go down this ramp. Now I'm going to go a little further up here and I'll show you how it works on the grass too. It performs really well. So here's a little grassy area. Just wanted to show you. So if you're someone that wants to use this scooter to go to your kid's soccer game or your baseball game, this is definitely something you can take with you to those, because you can definitely ride it on the grass. It handles it just fine. Has a lot of power for a folding mobility scooter. So all in all, lightweight, airline approved, only weighs 41 pounds. The way you fold the scooter is really easy. It's a great scooter. Now it does cost a little more than other folding mobility scooters you might find on the market, but you're paying for quality. Pride Mobility does not cut corners on the quality, and you're gonna have better support than you're gonna find in pretty much every other brand in the industry. So we love working with Pride. And in fact, the reason they have the 1-year labor contract is another reason we love that, and our customers do too. So if you have any questions about the GoGo Super Portable or any of Pride's scooters, give us a call. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or you can just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching.